Hi guys, I'm Miss Pasha. Welcome back. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Today we're going to be doing some math. And we're going to be counting with tally marks today, first graders, okay? So, to start off, you're going to need to get out your math workbook to make sure that we are following along and doing these problems together, and you're going to need a pencil. I'm going to give you a few seconds to get those items out before we get started. Okay, we should be ready. So make sure we got our pencil and our math workbook. Okay, so today's learning goal for math, we are going to be talking about and learning about how to count by using tally marks. And by the end of today, you should know how to use and how to count by tally marks. Okay. So first we're going to talk about what is a tally mark. A tally mark are little lines that we use to count. So you know how in class sometimes we use those counting cubes to count out our numbers? Well, today we're going to be using tally marks. So up in the top left-hand corner, I have a number 5. And right below that, I have the number 5 written as a word. And now we're going to learn how to write the number 5 in tally marks, okay? So follow along with me as I write it, you write it too, okay? So first we're going to start by writing the number 5 at the top of our paper, okay? Now we're going to use tallies. So first we're going to draw one little line, two little line, 3, 4. Now this is a special rule when it comes to tally marks, okay? When you get to your 5th tally, you cross it like this. Okay, so before we move on, make sure that you have this written down on your paper. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Now, what if I have a bigger number than 5? What if I have more than 5? Let's think. What if I have the number 7? Then what do I do? Well, we know that 7 is a bigger number than 5. So we are going to need 5 plus more equals 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7, right? We know that, okay, first graders? So we're going to start by making our 5 tally marks, okay? So do this with me, write 7 at the top of your paper and make sure that you write these tallies with me, okay? Start 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what do we do when we get to our 5? Think about it. That's right, we cross it. 5, 6, 7, and we stop because we have all of our 7 tallies. We know that 5 plus 2 more equals 7. Yep, we know that, okay? So now your paper should look like this and have 7 tally marks on it. Now we're going to practice an even bigger number, okay? So what about the number 13? So first, we're going to start out the same way we have for our other problems. We're just going to start off by counting with tallies. So we're going to start off by making 1, 2, 3, 4, cross our 5. Make sure you're writing it with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we already have 4 lines, so cross our 5. 10. Now we have 10 tallies. We're almost to 13, okay? Keep going. We have 1, 2, 3, which makes 13. We know that 10 plus 3 more, 11, 12, 13. We know that, friends, okay? Great job. Make sure you're writing it down with me in your workbook, okay? You're doing great. Hang in there. We're almost done. Now we're going to count how many friends you see. So we're going to take a minute. you're going to count how many friends you see on the screen, how many people you see. How many people did you see? Good. I saw 4 too. I was hoping you would say 4. Okay, so we're going to start by making 4 tally marks. So get out your paper. We're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this time we didn't have enough to cross it because 4 is less than 5. So then we just leave it. You wrote 4 tally marks. That's perfect. Okay, now this one's kind of tricky. This one is kind of tricky. So at the top, it says how many pink triangles and how many green triangles. So first together, we're going to do the first one together and we're going to count how many pink triangles we see. So let's start. Count with me, okay? Follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. We counted 8 pink triangles. So now we're going to write 8 tally marks to tally our 8 pink triangles. So do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross our 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job. Now I'm going to give you a second to count the green ones by yourself, and let's see if we get the same number, okay? Okay, friends, how many green triangles did we see? Good. I saw 6 too, okay? So we have 6 green triangles. Now we're going to do our tallies where it says green triangles. So we're going to do 6 tallies, so do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross our 5. Now there's one more. 6. That's perfect. Yours should look just like this. Awesome. Okay, now you guys did an awesome job today learning tally marks. I know that this was something new and that we had never done this before, but I want you to keep practicing. And I think that before I see you next time in class, you all will be tally mark experts. Before class next time, before I see you next, please complete the Google Forms quiz below so that I know that you followed along today and that you learned something. Thank you guys.